Salesforce DevOps gets messy fast. Code, data, metadata, unfamiliar tools, and little visibility into project health. FlexDeploy makes it simple. It supports no-code, low-code, and pro-code development all in one platform. Deployments flow smoothly between orgs and stay tied to source control with continuous integration from sandbox to Git across every Salesforce org. Object-level comparisons and automated pipelines handle the rest. Track work without leaving your workflow. FlexDeploy's native issue tracking system makes it easy to create and manage work items, from issues to features to enhancements, all in one place. With your work item assigned, make the changes right in your Salesforce sandbox or whatever development tool your team already uses. The Salesforce Org Management screen gives you 3 ways to compare and commit: by object type, or a full compare against your entire Git repository. Instantly view recently modified files and select what to compare right from the Configure Package XML screen. FlexDeploy compares your selected metadata against the Git branch and sorts results by status: new, modified, or deleted. From there, see exactly what changed, who changed it, and when, all in one clear view. Right from that same screen, commit files to source control and add them to the package, all with a simple commit message. No Git expertise needed, just review, add, and commit. The Packages screen gives you full oversight of files, tests, and package details. Use Add Subcomponents to find, preview, and select just the pieces of a file you need to migrate. And to keep your org clean, mark any file as destructive. FlexDeploy automatically generates the destructive package for you. FlexDeploy gives you 5 test levels for deployment: no tests for changes without validation, specified tests to run chosen test classes, local tests covering everything in the current namespace, and all tests in org for full coverage. FlexDeploy adds a 5th option, specified and package tests, which automatically runs the relevant test classes for your package, with the flexibility to add or remove tests as needed. One click finds associated profile and permission changes. Just select Add Profiles and Permissions to bring them into the package. FlexDeploy also detects test classes tied to your Apex classes automatically. Add them instantly with Add Test Classes. A FlexDeploy release marks a key milestone on the way to production. Whether your team runs Agile Scrum, Kanban, feature-driven development, or waterfall, every release bundles the technical components and work items behind it. Release managers can migrate data, metadata, or non-Salesforce content, all while keeping dependencies under control. Every release runs on a pipeline, a drag-and-drop blueprint for moving through stages, each with its own gates and steps. Built-in, governance, automated testing, approvals, toolchain integration, access control, and release insights. FlexDeploy's built-in continuous integration lets developers set up triggers for builds and deployments on their terms. The Discover Files trigger keeps Sandbox and Git in sync, automatically pulling changes from Salesforce and committing them straight to your Git branch. FlexDeploy makes it simple to swap in environment-specific values before deployment through a feature called Replacements. Configured once, these replacements apply automatically to every artifact as a pre-deployment step. FlexDeploy dashboards turn your DevOps process into clear metrics: DORA data, deployment success rates, commits and issues tied to builds, and test and security results. Design your own and share them with the team. FlexDeploy automates migration end-to-end, cutting manual work and improving the quality of every Salesforce change. With AI-driven integration and intuitive tools, it simplifies deployment, boosts efficiency, and speeds up your development cycles, all while keeping environments consistent, precise, and reliable. Contact us at info@flexagon.com to learn more.